Hello everyone! In this video I'll show you how to make a really cool DIY project out of a broken water meter. So let's start taking it apart. Unscrew the brass nut using pliers. Inside the housing, there's a plastic insert that needs to be removed. The pin in the center can be left in place, it won't get in the way. Now place the nut underneath and use a marker to make a mark on the housing. The line should be about 1.5 centimeters from the top of the housing. Divide the circumference into equal parts with about 1.5 centimeters between the lines. According to the markings, drill a hole with a 3 mm drill bit. This is how it turned out. Next, wrap some pipe sealing fiber around the threads and screw in the plugs. We're done with the body. Now we need to drill a hole in the brass nut. We measure the diameter of the inner hole on the nut. Next, we take a metal plate and a washer that's slightly larger in diameter than the hole on the nut. We trace it and using a ruler, draw the shape as shown in the video. Now we cut this out using an angle grinder. Here's the part we got. Now we need to drill a hole in it. We take a nut, put a washer under it, and attach the cutout part using a rivet. As you can see, we've made a damper. Now we take the meter housing and put viscose fabric inside. You can also use denim or canvas. To make sure the fabric is pressed well against the wall, I made a spring out of a piece of tin. We tighten the nut and our homemade device is finished. Here's the mini burner we ended up with, which can run on gasoline, kerosene or alcohol. Now let's move on to testing it. We open the damper and pour in a little alcohol. Now we light it and wait for the burner to heat up. This is how it burns until it heats up. And this is when it's heated up, you can close the damper and the burner is ready to use. As you can see, it burns well, the burner turned out great. Now you can cook or heat food on it. Water boils very quickly and the alcohol consumption is low. You can take this burner with you camping and use it in a tent. It doesn't give off carbon monoxide. If you like this homemade device, be sure to share this video with your friends. Thank you all for watching and goodbye.